Hello everyone, how are you today? It's Melody from Xiamen Yitai Industrial Limited Company. And we all know that we are narrow fabric machines manufacturer. Our main products are high-speed needle loom machine, high-speed computerized jacquard needle loom machine, high-speed braiding machine, and high-speed crochet knitting machine. The finished products which can be produced are elastic and non-elastic products such as ribbons, belts, elastic tapes, laces, shoelaces, and etc. Okay, today I will show you our products from finished product application such as home application, garment textile application, industry application, medical care application, shoelace application, and so on. Okay, firstly, let's see the home textile application. Common webbings around home life, such as used as curtain head to have curtains hang smoothly on the curtain track. In addition, the side edge of mattress used in the bedroom is also one of the finished products that can be manufactured by YTB series needle loom. There are a lot of ribbon products around life, such as backpack straps, luggage straps, or pet belts, can be made with a YTB series needle loom machine. Later, I will show you some real samples. Let's see. These are some products for home applications, such as this one. This one is a sofa tape. Sofa tape is for home application. This one, the elastic. Type. Okay. You can see, I just show you some type samples here. And you can see from our catalog, there are a lot of models from 2 lines to 16 lines. And the width maximum can be 300 millimeter at the most. So, how to choose the right machine model for your production? Firstly, you need to confirm the maximum width of the product you need to produce. And secondly, need to confirm whether it's elastic or non-elastic, because the elastic or non-elastic product, the machine equipment will be different. And thirdly, you also need to know the thickness. For common product, there are no problem for the thickness, but if your product is very special and it's very thick, so need confirm with us before ordering. And some other equipment, special equipment such as locking system, back takeoff device, double weft double latch needle, double weft single latch needle, belt web sending, etc. need confirm with us before ordering. And then the second one will show you let's talk from the medical textile application. Common webbings in medical care such as bandage, medical gauge bandage, and elastic bandage used in wound dressing can be woven. The product can be produced by a needle loom machine or a crochet machine. Just the pattern will be different. And abdominal support binder is often used as a supportive gear and are used on back to assist back muscle support for the discomfort and pain. Its weaving machinery can be a needle loom machine or crochet machine. And for the common webbings for medical and health care, also including mask bands and elastic bands used in protective clothing in addition to medical gauge bandage and elastic bandages. Face mask ear loops, as the name implies, are used in masks. Generally, round straps are more common and they are woven using cold knitting machine. The protective clothing elastic band is woven with a braiding machine and is used to protective clothing hoods, waist cuffs to help workers wear safety to protect employees from hazards in the workplace. Okay, let me also show you some samples. Here I have the medical gauge bandage. This one, you can see this one. It's elastic, and it's produced by the crochet knitting machine. You can see here, crochet knitting machine. Okay. And here another one. It's another type bandage. Also elastic. Here you see. Elastic. These two samples both are produced by the crochet knitting machine. And thirdly, I will show you from the garment accessories application. Common webbing belts are widely used in clothing products such as elastic bands for women's underwear, bra straps, and waistbands for men's underwear. According to the organization of the belt, the weaving machine can be a needle loom machine, a crochet machine, a braiding machine, and even a computerized jacquard needle loom machine. Weaving in a needle loom machine or crochet machine, the ribbon pattern can be diversified, either plain or a lace or jacquard. The common webbing on clothing products also have decorative tapes such as tweer tape, ribbons, rickrack, etc. The tweer tape, according to the pattern, can be also called the herringbone tape, the mattress tape, and fold elastic belt. Common materials are used such as nylon, polyester, and PP. Use different material according to different properties of the webbing. And most of its weaving machinery is needle loom machines, and ribbons can be divided into satin ribbon, taffeta, grosgrain, organza, welt, plaid, and metallic ribbon, etc. Most of the products are produced by the high-speed needle loom machine. Let me show you some samples too. You can see here. This one is a satin ribbon, the black one. This product, the material mostly use nylon. And this one also, the ribbon. Okay, and the next one, let me introduce something about the automatic textile application. Automatic textile tapes, including seat belts, automobile accessories products, and automobile parts covering materials. The common products are seat belts, and the manufacturing conditions must comply with safety regulations, including the wear resistance, water resistance, cold resistance, and heat resistance of the webbing. And the car accessories such as the hook and loop fastener for the seat belt stretch, the elastic for fixing the car seat cushion, and so on. I don't have example right now here, but you can contact us. You can contact us. You can call me or email me to get the sample photos. Okay. So the next one, I will introduce you from the shoelace textile application. Shoelace textile, as we all know that the shoelace textile includes the shoelaces and shoe making accessories. Shoelaces can be divided into round shoelaces and flat shoelaces, which can be produced by the braiding machine, high-speed needle loom machine, or knitted. According to the requirements, there are printed shoelaces, jacquard shoelaces, and other types. But in our daily life, the most common shoelaces are produced by high-speed needle loom machine. Let's see some sample here. Here you can see three different types of shoelaces. This one shoelace is a hollow round shoelace. Is produced by the high-speed braiding machine. Okay. And this shoelace is produced by the high-speed needle loom machine. And this one is produced by the cord knitting machine. So we can see that the braiding machine and high-speed needle loom machine and cord knitting machine all can produce shoelaces. But as I mentioned before, the most common shoelaces in our daily life are produced by the high-speed braiding machine. And as we see, there are so many models in our catalog for the high-speed braiding machine with different heads and different spindles. So how to choose the right machine model? Firstly, we need to confirm how many groups of yarns used to produce the product. And secondly, what's the diameter of the product it is. Then can confirm the machine model. And normally the flat products produced by the flat shoelaces are produced by the single spindle machines, and the round shoelaces produced by the double spindle braiding machines. Okay, the shoelace textile application is for. Let's stop here, and the next one I will introduce you from the industrial webbing textile application. The industrial webbing textiles are slow stretching webbings, safety belts, lifting slings, P-flat ribbons, and so on. The anti-falling safety belt is also called four-body safety belt and shock-absorbing lanyard. These are used on on-site construction, which are high-altitude operations and other necessary safety protection tools to disperse the load to avoid partial body injury and to ensure personal safety. The sling can be called a lifting sling. So when applied to a hanging operation, the influence of the sling master on the load carrying capacity of the sling must be considered. And when deciding on the type of the sling to use, it's necessary to first understand the scope of use of the sling in a nature or workplace to choose the right type of sling. Okay, if you also want to see the sample, just contact us. We will show you the details. Okay, now let's see our machines. let's see the machine. You see here is the crochet knitting machine. Let's see the machine. And we made one medical gauge bandage here. So let's see the machine running. Okay, and you can see just as you see in the video. This machine is producing a medical gauge bandage. And in our previous live show, we also introduced the advantages and features of our machine. So right now here, I don't introduce more about the machine itself. Okay, and the next one, let's see the high-speed needle loom machine. We also made one sample on the machine. Let's see the machine running here. Okay, please follow me. Let's see here. First, when you get the machine, firstly you can see here there's a brake switch. You should put it on and then press here one sample right here. see the whole machine, but due to the place limit, the workspace limit, so we only put four back beam clears at the back side. But the standard machine, the back clear is normally from 16 to 21 at most. But if you need extra more, can also tell us. Okay, and this machine can produce both elastic and non-elastic product. Different, it can be equipped according to the product you need produced. So, and the next one, let's see the computerized jacquard needle nose machine. Please follow. Okay, this shows the head. Okay. This jacquard head, as we mentioned many times before, this type jacquard head we tested in our factory for 1 month, 24 hours every day at the speed of 2000 RPM without any testing. After 1 month, there's no parts break, and this jacquard had the structure from the structure, material, and design is all are better than before, both from the using and the maintenance, because the magnet valve inside is piece by piece, which easier to detect the problem and lower cost to change. Okay, let's see the machine running. Can you see here? You know that the jacquard loom compared with the high-speed jacquard loom machine and the high-speed needle loom machine, the difference is the upper side with the jacquard head and distance. The machine body is the same. So before running a machine, also need to put the brake switch to on part and start the machine. The start tip also together with the
No.
Okay, that's all for my introduction today. Thank you so much for your time. So if you have any question or any product you have interest, any help you want us to do for you, just drop us a mail or contact us via WeChat or WhatsApp. WeChat or WhatsApp number is 8615980402851. Thank you so much again for your time. See you next time.